Hey guys, my name is Ashley Brooke, and if you're interested in learning how to silk press your hair at home and taking your hair from this to this, keep watching. My hair is soft, flowy, it has lots of body. Stay tuned and I'll give you all the details. First, I'll start with the neutralizing shampoo, and I use BeeGirl collection for the shampoo and the conditioner. After your shampoo and conditioner, you're going to section your hair into 4 sections. That tends to work a little bit better for me, so I don't have to be overwhelmed with all this hair. Next, I'm going to go with the IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Blowout Balm, and I use about a quarter amount on each section. Make sure you comb it through. It's a keratin-like treatment, 72-hour frizz control, and 450-degree heat protection. Great product. My blow dryer has 2 attachments to it. I use the wider one first and then the second one. I was so happy about my length. Like, look at it. I was so excited. Now that the blow dry is complete, next up, flat ironing. I section my hair from ear to ear and then clip that front part out the way. Now my heat protection spray came from Oh So Sophisticated. It's a heat protector and also a shine. Now my flat iron is just a basic flat iron you can get at the beauty supply store, and it only go up to 30. Funny thing, I have a Babyless flat iron or Babyless, whatever you want to call it, but I cannot find it, and I needed my hair done for the next day. But this flat iron got the job done. So again, the main point is a good blow dry and taking small, paper thin sections. What I mean by small, I mean less than an inch. So like 1/2 inch sections, that would be perfect. Now I only pass my hair through the flat iron once, maybe twice, and the second time is mainly towards the root just to make sure I get that extra curl out. Listen, I was so excited. Like, my hair hasn't been this length in a long time. Like, it's past my shoulders. Finally. Now you have a better look on how small my sections are. I mean, those sections are so small. It may take a long time, but the benefits of that, your hair will be flawless. Remember to chase your comb with your flat iron. Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. You want to make sure you don't use products that are heavy to your hair, because look how flowy it is. Just beautiful, shiny, luscious, and lightweight. Now that we have it all pressed, you see it's just flowy, straight, light. My main part that I love my hair to move. I noticed that I needed to trim my ends, so we're going to go in each section and trim those dead ends, making sure that it's all even. I give myself a trim about every 8 weeks or so. Maybe a little further than that, but I definitely do that. It's very important.
Now, if you get a silk press or you do it yourself and you notice that your ends look a little funny, like the roots are straight but your ends are a little curly, it's probably because you need to trim. Now that it's all trimmed, you can see a difference in how it flows and moves without those static ends.
Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. All my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar,
Next up, curling. So I like to separate my crown area first. And then my motion of curls, I like to curl back. Now I take my curlers about halfway through the hair shaft itself right there, and then I start to turn the curlers. Now if you curl from the root, it'll make your roots a little bit more fuller or more bigger or have more volume, as they say. But I wanted my curls to be more focused on the end. Now for the crown area, you'll take your curlers back. And once I finish curling it, I take my pen and I clip it. I usually do about 3 curls in this section and pin them in place.
sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
I remove my pins and you see the bounce and the curl that it gives. So like I said, if you want more curl, just pin your curls in place, then wait till they cool off and then take them down. Wait. Child, I am feeling myself. You see it. The curls just bounced. That haircut just gave everything it needed to give. Look at it. Do y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Gave myself a... Ooh. Love it, but like I said, it's the night before Easter, so I pin curl all my curls so I can take them down in the morning. Make sure you pin curl in the direction that you curled your hair in. Roll it up and pin. I used a silk bonnet to cover my hair and went to sleep. So this is the next day and curls are intact, pins are intact. Once your pins are down, you'll take a wide tooth comb and just comb through those curls.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Precious. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I kiss the
Look at the results. It's flowy, bouncy, lightweight, and yet still straight. I'm a girl that loves curls. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit a thumbs up at the bottom and also especially subscribe for more content like this. If you want more DIY hairstyles, leave that in the comments below. Till next time, bye.